Shoppers. Sharp. One your man, you gave me your confidence, I no go lie. One imaka, chabaka, Arabu dalamo, Arabu palamo. You are God sent to me, I no deny. Your love they make me, they think I want to be around with you. I love you, they make me, they want to spend my money on you. I love you every day and every night. Baby mo, or the no be mo. You get me a confidence, I know. I'm not gonna lie, girl, I wanna be your person. I'm not checking this your body. Girl, you drive me crazy. I know you think I'm the person. You are killing me slowly. On my knees, you know I'm begging. I am make you part this girl. You know, say nobody's perfect. I go tell my mommy. Let's be like Romeo and Juliet. Oh, girl, I'm lonely. Come give me love and affection. Oh, when you're mine.
Hello? Yeah. Okay. Give me a second. I'll be down in a second. All right. Thank you. Babe.
Yes?
Your friend's here.
Oh my God, I can't wait to see them.
Relax. That's what we're gonna do. You're gonna go check on your girls downstairs. I'm gonna see what the boys are up to, all right?
Shoppers. Sharp.
A good-looking brother.
You gotta say that again, bro.
Who's talking to you? Or who's talking about you? I'm talking about myself, bro.
You know what it is.
Look at my boys. My man.
Married man.
Look at you looking sharp.
This
What's
weekend?
happening, boy?
This weekend? This weekend
Yes.
is gonna be lit!
It has to be, boy. It has to be. Bad boys all day.
Nah,
Come on now. Jeez.
Cheese.
Man,
What
I must give it to you. You got my boys looking like actual gentlemen.
Thank you very much.
Actual gentlemen.
We are.
Come on, please.
Now make me look great. What's going on? I gotta look better than my guys. Oh. But it's, I don't want to seize yet. I want to just wait till the main day, you know? That just means one thing, man. I have to say thank you very much. I appreciate everything you do for us. Particularly my wife, too. Nice one, bro.
I think everyone's looking good. I think my job here is done.
Always.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Guys, show him some love now. That's the man. That's the man.
So see you on Saturday, guys.
All right, so you better make sure you make it, though.
I'll be there.
You gotta see your good work.
All the best.
All right, bro. Woo. God damn, you guys look great.
Standard.
Well, I come bearing good news.
Okay.
Jola's downstairs. The bridesmaids are here.
Hey, time to get lit.
No. Yo, promise me you'll be civil. Behave ourselves this weekend. No, I don't trust you guys.
Bruh, let's just go.
Let's go. Nowhere. Come back. Take the suits off. It's for Saturday. Take it off.
Such a killjoy, man.
You want to now rush and go and meet girls you haven't seen in ages.
I beg.
I beg, Mona, just come.
Shoppers. Sharp.
I thought you applied for leave.
Eh? This one, leave. This one that loves work more than anything.
Good job. Am I not here on a weekday?
Chola, you must really have superpowers to have pulled this one out of her work. Well, I'm just glad that you girls are here. It's been too long.
You're the one who ran off to the UK, girl.
Well, if I didn't, I won't be married.
Good point.
Still feels surreal, though. Wait.
Let me say that.
Kolawole.
I know,
Oh.
right? I know.
Like, are you kidding?
Oh, there he comes.
Oh, sorry, ladies. Sorry to have kept you waiting.
Hi. Hi, Jaye.
Good to see you guys again, face to face.
Face to face.
After such a long time.
Thanks so much. Having seen you face to face is a big deal.
Right.
You can say that again. Tokumbo pizzas.
Tokumbo.
TK.
Wow. You changed.
Okay. I'll take that as a compliment.
You're not looking as bad as you used to look from school.
Uche. What?
Definitely take that as a compliment.
It is.
That is a compliment.
Baba.
He's so wifey.
Hey.
Thank you so much for everything you did and the stuff you said, my brother.
It's nothing.
Oh my God.
Bad boy. You know how we do magic. Always.
Meanwhile, congrats on your latest single. Oh my God, I totally love it.
Thank you. Anything.
Hello, ladies.
Hi, Elisa.
Oh, you remember me?
Of course we do.
How could we forget you? You were that skinny guy in oversized uniform drooling over TV.
I can see somebody still has the same smart mouth you used to have back in school.
And I see you haven't grown up either.
Wow.
Okay, guys, I'm just so glad that you guys can be here to share in this special weekend. Right, baby?
Yeah, excited, right?
Shoppers. Sharp. Wanyama, you gave me your confidence, I no go lie. Wanimaka, Jamaka, Arabu Palamo. You are God sent to me, I no deny. Your love they make me, they think I want to be around with you. I love you, they make me, they want to spend my money on you. I love you every day and every night. Baby mo, or the no be mo.
You gave me your confidence.
Oh, thank you. Well, Timmy, since you know everyone here, this is Jaye.
I know the love of your life.
And I know you already know first one.
Yes.
Tokumbo pizzas.
TK's fine.
You feel that nicely.
And Olisa.
Hey, you look so beautiful. Like, more than I remember. I remember when she used to go to the library and hide around and try to be out so cute.
I'm sorry, but I have absolutely no recollection of what you're talking about or who you are. You excuse me. Come on, girls, we need to catch up. I missed you.
Oh, I didn't know. I just my mind. so long.
That was awkward.
Stop and dine, yeah.
Hey! What's your now you the first
Me. Only Semeka. Nine tell me talks she no at all.
It kind of reminds me of why we used to call them the ice queens back in secondary school. And now, you are getting married to one of them. That's unbelievable. She's a great catch, right? She's tall, she's pretty, she's got a banging body. Oh my God! Oh.
TK.
I'm just saying. Easy. I'm just saying.
And you're talking about my daughter. Easy with that. Put some holiness on it, okay? I know she got a bad body, but guys, in the body self. I never touch it.
What? What? Wait. Did you just say you haven't touched Jola?
He's joking now.
Bro, he's not joking.
Bro, look at the guy.
What? Guys, nothing they happen, man.
Wait, guy, you sure say everything dey okay.
What do you mean everything? Everything's not okay. Everything's not okay. Bro, what's going on?
Nothing. There's got to be something.
Nothing is happening.
For you not to have touched a girl like Jola.
Talk to your guy.
Okay, guys, hold on. Bro. Now we, okay? Something wrong with it? Like, it doesn't stand up?
Olusemeka.
I mean, bro, I gotta ask. Now we can't hide anything from anybody.
Look, it's very simple. She doesn't want to have sex before marriage. That's all.
Damn, guy. You have some stellar self-control, man.
I don't get it. I mean, why are we all here? For sure, you're getting married to Jola. So what's the issue? I be one bike out, had test driving it first.
What's in the worry? Jola no be car. She's not a car.
Oh, Benny, leave the talk. Everybody knows that Jola is not a car. We know, but you get the point, though.
Okay, listen. Let's just end all this one time. She doesn't want to have sex. And to be honest, I respect her for it. It's one of the reasons why I'm so eager to get married to her.
But wait.
Why? I love her, guys. Like,
Yeah, but why?
Jola means.
Why would she have sex with you if she loves you?
Really?
Now. Even girls that don't love you are ready to have sex one time.
Thank you. You either have to be famous, have money, or be good looking.
Exactly. And our brother here is a good-looking ass man. He has money too. Because I can't even lie. If me do half the things we do for Jola for any girl, that girl gets hang from fam. Like,
even the one where you never do anything for, you just see the hang from fam not to be.
Guys, even me, I won't do. You know me now. I won't do. I want it. Like, what am I going to do? What's up?
He's high into it, man. That's it. Take her too far, she can go back. Too far in the woods, boy.
You don't know what's in there, this guy. What did they do you?
Babe, stop. Tired. Jai, you need to go.
What? Shoppers!
I need to.
Wait, John. Shabo.
What?
I'm not going in. Like, this is my room as well.
Okay. So where's my room?
We're sharing this room. Like, you and I.
What? He wants to have sex. He's in the room right now taking a shower.